Well, I would have given it a D minus in constitutional law with great inflation. But if the professor was Lawrence Tribe, or if it was Jamie Raskin, he'd have given him an A plus. This is an attempt to totally manipulate an amendment that was never designed to disqualify people in future elections. It was a Civil War amendment. It's an attempt to manipulate this amendment just to get Trump. Title of my book, Get Trump. This is just another example of that. If you look at the Constitution, it is as clear as could be that the 14th Amendment can be implemented only by Congress, not by state legislatures. The Congress shall have the power to enforce by appropriate legislation the provisions of this article, and it's logical. Remember who wrote the 14th Amendment? Radical Republican Reconstructionists. You think they would give the power to decide who's going to run for president to Mississippi and Alabama? Of course not. It's the most absurd argument historically and constitutionally. And the text of the amendment doesn't even apply to the president of the United States. It applies to senators, representatives, and electors. So this is a stretch beyond all stretching.
Now, the Supreme Court obviously can weigh in, overturn this decision. Do you think they're likely to take this on? They obviously have several things in front of them at the moment related to the election.
This one they have no choice on. They have a choice on the immunity. They can put that off. Trump today came in and said, we don't want to rush this, do it in the normal way. This one they have to take because he's going to be taken off the ballot in early January. So my prediction is they'll give a stay. There's already a stay in the state court, but it's only until early January. They'll give a stay that takes us probably through the primary. But even if they don't, what's going to happen is the Republican Party will just eliminate the primary and have a caucus and nominate. Then we'll have to see what the courts do about that.